Welcome to another class of mathematics. Today we are going to be learning conversion of fraction to decimal. Conversion of fraction to what?
Decimal.
To decimal. Now, how do we convert a fraction to a decimal? That is the question we are answering today. We have two examples to answer that question. The first example is 3 over 4, and the second one is 5 over 8. How do we convert from a fraction to a decimal? That is the question that we are answering. Now let us start with the first one. I'll have my A, 3 over 4. Convert to decimal. How do we do it? Very simple. We do division. There are two methods. You can either choose to divide it or you use what is called a long division method. So let us divide it just like that. And let's see what we'll get. 4 divided by 3 is the question. 4 divided by 3. Is it possible? No. Why is it not possible? Because the denominator is greater than the numerator. So anytime the denominator is greater than the numerator, it can never divide. 4 is bigger than 3. For that reason, 4 cannot divide 3. It is impossible. So if 4 cannot divide 3, then what do? You will now borrow 0. You do what?
Borrow 0.
You borrow 0. So 4 divided by 3 cannot. It's impossible. So you put your 0. Then you borrow 0. Once you borrow 0, you add the 0 that you borrow to this 3. It becomes 30. Immediately you borrow 0, put a point. And now you have your 30. So you now say 4 divided by 30 is what? 4 divided by 30 is what? 7 remainder 2. That 2, here is the 2 that you say is remainder 2. Now 4 divided by 2 cannot, it's again impossible. What do again? You borrow another 0 to this 2. It becomes what? 20. 4 divided by 20 is what?
5.
5. Is there any remainder?
No.
No. This is our final answer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now let's go to the second one, which is our B. 5 over 8. 5 over 8. How do we do it? Applying the same method. 8 is bigger than 5. For that reason, 8 cannot divide 5. So what do? You borrow 0 and then you add the 0 to the 5. Immediately you are planning to borrow 0, you put 0 here. Why is it 0 here? Because 8 cannot divide 5, impossible. You have your 0. Then you now borrow 0. As you borrow 0 and drop your 0, immediately you drop your 0, don't forget, you drop your point. Then you now say 8 divided by 50 is what?
6 remainder 2.
6 remainder
2.
Now that remainder 2, you bring it here, and then you add that, you borrow another 0, because 8 cannot divide 2. So you borrow another 0, add it to this 2, it becomes what? 20. So 8 divided by 20 is what?
2 remainder 4.
2 remainder 4. Now that 4 that is remaining, you write it down. And then you borrow another 0. Why are you borrowing 0? Because 8 cannot divide 4. So you borrow another 0 to this 4, it becomes what? 40. So you go again. 8 divided by 40 is what?
5.
Is what?
5.
5. Is there any remainder?
No.
No. So this becomes our final answer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is the simplest way to convert fractions to decimal. I hope you learned something from this video. Please kindly subscribe and follow us. Thank you very much.